Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at a really cool item. This is a globe. This is a lamp, a moon lamp, globe, night light, whatever you want to call it. It's really cool. I just want to show you what it looks like. I'm going to give you a demonstration, so stick with me. I'm going to show you how it lights up. Now this comes in different sizes. You can get it from 4.8 inch up to 7 inches. Even 9.6 inches. You can get, really nice size one. This is a great for any gift, great for wall decor, for like lighting up little areas in your room, little areas like on a bookshelf, things like that. So it's designed to look like a moon. Now you can see here, it's got like little craters all around and all that kind of stuff. Really fun. Now this lights up in all different colors. Comes with the remote control, comes with the batteries, everything's all included. It does come with a USB A to USB-C charger, and the charging port's right on the bottom right here. You can see the charging port. So it's really cool. So I'm going to light this up in 1 minute. I'm going to show you. Now also it does come with a stand that you have to put together, so it's really easy. It's super easy to put together. You just follow the directions here. This peg goes into a hole, just like that there. You can see. This peg goes into this hole here. You can't make a mistake like that. And this peg goes into this hole. Now this basically makes a little stand. You can see that. We'll take the charger out of the way. It's already charged. It does come charged. And basically you put the ball on the stand. Let me just show you. Basically it sits on the stand just like that. Really cool looking. Just like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to shut the lights off, and we're going to show you how cool this looks at night. Really awesome. So let's shut these lights off right here. There's the overhead lights. The lights are off. And you can see here. And let me just shut this other light off here. Make it dark as possible in here. And here we go. And that is totally pretty dark in here now. That's just my light coming off of my clock. And we're going to put this on. You can see, there you go. So this is the color of the moon. They have the white color. There's different colors. They have all the different colors of the rainbow. Here is white. Here is blue. Okay. Here is the green. Here is red. And I think this is, I like the white because the white actually reminds me of the moon. I'm going to show you a close-up of this so you can just see all around the detail. It looks like the moon. This is, you can see the craters. You can see all the imperfections in the moon, especially with recently we had the travel around the moon. It was really amazing. You can just see how the detail going around the moon. Really very, very interesting. Now this remote control has many other features as well. It has a timer. It has loops, different things. Let me just show you the different colors here. So this has right here. So we have a red and all the different colors, and orange right here. And you can adjust each different color, every variation. You can have it change different colors like this here. So it's really cool. This is a night light like that. You can see the reds, how they're coming out, and you can see it changing colors. Again, really just different. I love the way this looks. Really cool and interesting. I know I said cool a million times because I just really love the way this looks. Again, it's got the on and off button, really simple. It does have a timer. You can do different timer levels. You can adjust the sensitivity. You can adjust the intensity. You can adjust the brightness. You can adjust so many things with this. B+, C+, you can just really different grades of color. You can see how it's changing the different color grades. Just really nice. I like the purple. There's more blue. So all in all, look at that. You got the little blinking going on here and all kinds of different. Look at how fun that looks. And you can adjust the timer. Again, it has so much stuff. You can just see how fun this really is. I'll put the light back on so you can see. This is an awesome, awesome globe. I love this thing. Definitely going to give this an A+. This would be great for any kid's room. It's a night light. You charge it up. It lasts several weeks. And you basically charge it up again when you need to, and it's absolutely fantastic. Just looks even cool by itself, just sitting on the little wood stand with the natural wood stand. I like the way that looks. And I love the detail of the globe. You can see it looks just like the moon. I love it. So that's what I have for you guys. This is how it comes. Comes with the remote control, comes with the cable, comes with the batteries, comes fully charged, and you're ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Hope I brought you some value. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow this channel. Follow the channel right there. That's the name of the channel. Follow us right there. Appreciate it as always. Hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.